Ramadan Kareem, today we are doing lentil soup. Half kilo red lentil pre-washed, 1 large onion cut into cube, 1 piece celery cut into slice, 1 large carrot cut into cube, 1 large potato cut into cube, olive oil, 2 liter water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon 7 spices, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. We preheat the pot and we will put the olive oil. Olive oil, it's always give a nice flavor for the soup. Onion and celery, potato and the carrot. We toast it very well and then we will add the lentil, salt, 7 spices, cumin powder, add the water. Now start boiling, we will reduce the fire and we'll let it cook for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Ready to serve, it's served with lemon wedges and fried Arabic bread. Bon appetit.